Ever feel like your money disappears too fast? You work hard, but your bank account doesn't seem to grow. You're not the only one. Millions struggle with budgeting. It's tough to manage bills, have fun, and save for the future. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. They wish they could control their spending and get ahead, but it feels overwhelming. Where do you even begin? Don't worry. There's a simple solution, the 50-30-20 rule. This easy-to-follow plan can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to budget your money. It divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, transportation, and utilities. Wants include things you enjoy but don't need, like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and vacations. Savings cover your financial goals like building an emergency fund, paying off debt, investing, and saving for retirement. By sticking to these percentages, you can ensure you cover your essential expenses while still enjoying life and planning for the future. Let's say you earn $4,000 after taxes each month. Here's how the 50-30-20 rule would work. Needs, which are 50%, would be $2,000. This covers rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, and other essential expenses. Wants, which are 30%, would be $1,200. This allows for dining out, movies, hobbies, and other non-essential expenses. Savings, which are 20%, would be $800. This goes towards your emergency fund, debt repayment, investments, and other savings goals. This is just an example. You can adjust the percentages slightly to fit your individual circumstances and financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is better than other budgeting methods for several reasons. First, it's simple. You don't need any complicated spreadsheets or to track every penny. Second, it's flexible. You can adjust the categories to fit your needs and priorities. Third, it's sustainable. You can enjoy life while still saving money. Other methods can be restrictive and complicated. They might make you feel deprived and discouraged. The 50-30-20 rule emphasizes balance and long-term financial health. John, a young professional, used the 50-30-20 rule to pay off $10,000 in credit card debt in 2 years. He cut back on unnecessary spending and diligently allocated 20% of his income towards debt repayment. Sarah, a single mother, used the rule to build a 6-month emergency fund. She automated her savings to consistently reach her 20% goal each month. These are just 2 examples of how the 50-30-20 rule has helped real people achieve their financial goals. By following this simple but effective method, you can improve your financial situation too. Here are some practical tips for sticking to the 50-30-20 rule. First, track your spending. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a notebook to monitor where your money goes. Second, set financial goals. Having clear goals like buying a house or retiring early will keep you motivated. Third, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. Finally, find ways to cut costs. Negotiate bills, cook at home more often, and find free or low-cost entertainment options. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice the 50-30-20 rule, the easier and more automatic it will become. Managing your money doesn't have to be stressful. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and effective way to take control of your finances. By dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings, you can ensure you're covering your essential expenses, enjoying life, and building a secure financial future. Don't wait another day to get your finances in order. Start implementing the 50-30-20 rule today and experience the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. You've got this. Subscribe now for more tips and strategies to achieve financial success.